Ya, fifi vai toi fatalo fatu so tato tunu o nei tu la le uli ma salo wanga ia tu stemio le tasia na ilua le tu la la so nei o la so o nei o kitopa la so tofine ama tu ni o kilani ni sila ia tau sanga nei o le lua hafu suma lua e ma tu fo ia neva ia so ia o tapere pena tu fo le tato tunu e me se fo ia Samoa fa pena fo ma ni sila e mai so tunu fa ke ono la salu tomati ya la sapa pae pe on fama tuina ele tato tunu ia mai kalesia sto sanga lava atemini yo le tei o kilandi ia mo sina fia le tala le tau o kilandi fa le sina malulu ia o tau nei ni sila atoa ia to fe lolo lava o kilandi ia o kalesikeke ma South Island fa le sina malulu va atu o ai sa uma ia le misi foi petonu o na kalesikeke Ultimately, se fez o calma ali, mas ele ia dizer o caminho, a qualquer dia o main point lá vou estar to a passi silanga foi se calma ali foi ia misalo e tau mo fale onga ia mo tato ia tama oledi mak fa não fatas sala vaso ato ele sa off ele fengal venga video to lá olha só falei ele mana vai ia sa faz uma copa aqui que foi ele no Mia happy hour foi le company foi le fiafi ya ngalu le fe mai la tala le no ko ya mas mi al wakua falaile aso to na ia sa fa ko al wala to ai ngai pole sa mai ele yo fa kasi amatola o mako kongi falaile kongi mako falaile mai al wakua malango tongi na alua kua whaonga ia mako wa se ea fwere le wa se ea umanga ia ka whaola tu le o le ainga le whakari malato o lua mal whanau alua kua le sfale le sto na ia sa polo le sa whako alo le whale to sa une sa whenga lwenga mai le alua ku sole makua peiwa le tau kanga ka me long ko lua ka whinga me ngale whingi makua ika le whingi yo lo tulang fwele le whapea fwele le ngale alu ale foi o le se coupe foi fa tau ole o mia ai me pena mai al wakulo am kwa hika me al fingi fa so que fa so le o fa ko lo fingi foi mai el fing ala so ma fo pa fa e que leva ai que o de ele vai só ako foi mai boi no mal como fia lo que minga wa mga ofesi ya lu fot fingi ka fa wo le va fu ki nga fu nga maka va ya fa mai lo lankal ya ma nga pa o le va ya o va so ako fa mai la skama so le lo moelo mai na ke i for le va vea nga la so fu la fa pe nga yo nga maka alo langi maka so le fa pe ngi la po li po la me lon ko lu fa ye kwa ma le lo ma se me pon sa ko Mea lenga le whangaruanga le waso ako, me whapenge i unga maka, kei ropo a mea ke binanga moe, kei ropo a mea longko luanga whai, nga pingi longko lu. Ia, me la so safo ia, so la spofa la salenga, maka longa kau ke al fula, fo ilu fua, bo maui fulo maka. Me la kona le longa maka, ai onga kau loha haku loa longko lua. Wasa o ya kala kama al figi ola so lo ya pa ole pa ide va ya u fiku waso ya ma kongua me o ka lo ko na lo si maka mo ka ma wi fu fa pengi maka so pa pe ku ka lo ko lo sa o kala lo ko lo fiku le ya so fa ko ko va ide ke u fulo maka temide ka ko to ya olo ye ni mai tai pule tonu o masalo la fa to interview e vodi sia o nanga tato SanSid Auto Limited le fia fa lo atu na to tato SanSid Auto Limited e numes fu river o Princess Street in St.OtahuhuAuckland la telefoni le tv mai o iva valu no iva fitu over just o iva valu no iva fitu over just te vidi mai ai o ko sama nei ya telefoni sia o nanga nai pe o no fa lo mai le vai ngo le PayPal ai mo tol version lo to mai e le se mela e popole fua fa peo langa kele me lo tomate ofu tomate o me ai le pena fo ia le peleki me lo fa fe au me to pena le ai em fa yang tongi ta vale i fa i PayPal fa pena fo le PayPal le ala fo ngol me le yo le afterpay yo le molisita to nanga na yo le ole afo ia ole tele a misa ale afterpay tongi mo release tu lau ta vale alu fa nga tongi a pe ala tongi le load vo le fa fa le pai te me tu ton fela fsina na ia le ko nga me tatu falisini time ne ole mai o lo sa ba o lo pisi ia o kele fo time te no fo te me ton mai ko ia ole fengana sungana li pule ia vanta ngaulo o lue foi sastina ta vale ia amasalo isa fa le tonu ta vale pe se mena fa le tonu na lo nga lue e mo to fe atu ole fale sinia nei ole pisinisi ale ngali i misala fa na tama to lu na ole siali ina lo tu mai o ia masi ngali i de ia pe na foi malisia di ira ya i
yeah talofa Samoa. As we both directors of SanSid Autos, we would like to highlight few things, and those things are like this is an auto shop, so we do lot of repairs, lot of electrical things here, and wheel alignment, also what else? Consider tires, balancing. And scanning. Yeah. If any lights which pops up on the desk for new version cars, we also diagnose and also do the repairs for that. Also anything regarding electrical warrant we do, and like a lot of vehicles they have even some panel locks, like they have glass broken. We also have people who can come and replace the glass under even insurance or whatever. And like
so it's that time of the year where your WAF would be expiring.
Yes. Yeah.
Christmas is coming, so make sure your WAF is all up to date. Service your car to be on the road.
Yeah, and the special offer which is going to be for this month is
so we've got a new offer for October.
Yeah.
So we're giving would be if you buy 4 new tires, we will throw in a free wheel alignment.
Wheel alignment, yes. And then that way it will give you a good discount for. Otherwise, if you go somewhere, they do 4 tires and then again charge for wheel alignment, which will.
So the wheel alignment we're giving out is worth $80.
Yeah.
So which you get a free wheel alignment on 4 tires.
Yes, very good. And how long does the special? How long is
so it's for this month of October.
So only
end
October.
of October. Yeah.
So they have to come.
So be quick.
Yeah. I also would like to highlight about the opening hours for my workshop. It is weekdays. We have 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and weekend, that is we only open on Saturdays, and that is 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Yes, you almost open 24/7.
Except
so that you don't get disappointed, try and make an appointment beforehand. Give us a call, send us a message on Facebook or from the website. You can book from the website as well now.
What number they contact you?
So I can give the landline would be 09-869-7081. Or you can call on our mobiles as well. Text anytime, 24 hours, 021-067-0819 or 021-047-3543.
Yeah. And another thing I would like to add on is, like, if you have breakdown somewhere, we also can provide tow truck for the vehicle to be here in the workshop. And for that they need to just give us a call. We can arrange a tow truck for their vehicle if it is stuck on motorway or somewhere. We can even.
And it's 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yes.
That service.
Yes.
So you can tow straight over here.
Straight over here.
So it's safe, very safe for the car.
Even it is night time or daytime, and once the tow truck will bring it here, we'll park the vehicle inside and lock it.
Oh man,
So
that's a very good service.
Yeah.
What about the cost of that service? Because the tow truck.
tow truck. What we'll do, we'll give a special discount and we'll add up to whatever cost the repairs will be.
After
Yeah.
your pay after.
Yes.
And you can then put it on Afterpay or Genoa Pay, Lay-by, Zip,
Oh,
whatever.
yes.
Yeah, okay, hi Sandy. Yeah,
Hi.
I will ask some question to you now.
Yes.
So the method of payment, because this the thing is all people they hard to
Yeah.
hard to face the cost of living.
Sometimes it is, yeah.
And cost of everything now in here, especially when they fix the car no money.
Yeah.
So I see that thing can Afterpay.
Yeah, so we now can offer you Afterpay or Genoa Pay, Lay-by, Zip. We also accept credit cards, FPOS, cash, and Wins quote as well.
Wins?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that one wins. Yeah.
So all the repair cost, we can put it under your Wins quote, give it to you.
So can you explain more the Afterpay?
So Afterpay is a very good...
They're not very good online thing.
Yeah.
Do you
I
help
can,
them?
yeah. So you don't have to give me any greater details of yourself, but I can help you with your phone, apply from your phone, and all you would need would be your driver's license or your passport and a bank card. So I'm here Monday to Saturday. I can help you out if you need to do any applications, but normally it just would take about 3 minutes from your phone, and I can offer you free Wi-Fi as well if you're around here, around my shop. So we can go from there and get your Afterpay all settled.
Sandy, I think you have another service you want to explain to us. So you want to let us our audience to know.
You've heard it right. We now have another business. It's called a PC Forge, where we these are the services offered. We do customer computer bills, PC clearing, we do computer upgrades, and we do new parts as well. So that's a new business that SanSid has started, and it's called PC Forge. With that, we have Afterpay as well, Genoa Pay, Lay-by, Zip, whatever you can use.
So that service include the phone or just the computer?
Your computers, yeah, laptops
computer,
and desktop, yeah.
Oh, so can you show me that?
Yeah, sure,
that
sure. So yeah, so you can go online on the Facebook page, PC Forge.
This, yeah, we can see this card here. Yeah, this. Oh, I'm sure you can see it. Yeah, but I'll put it on the poster anyway. The number, the same phone number to ring this service.
Yeah, you can call on the same landline, and on the card there's a different mobile number as well.
Are they open same time?
Yeah, timings are the same. Yeah, and you can send messages from Facebook, from the website as well. Same as the mechanical, but this is a computing.
Okay, it looks like we cover everything. Yes. Any last word, Sandra?
Yeah, just to highlight with the customers and others that like it's coming near to Christmas and December, so we will be getting more bookings. So if you want to do your service or whatever, better hurry up and have the booking done in advance, so that we can call you in time and have your vehicle be prepared before you go for your...
So call us now and pre-book.
Yes.
And don't forget the specials for October. 4 new tires, wheel alignment free. Very good deal.
Yes.
Okay,
and that's all.
We'll talk again next week. Sandy and Sandra.
We'll see you next week.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. See you. Bye.
Tô fácil, for.
Tô fácil for.